Hello everyone, this is a very quick tutorial on how to delete Google Chrome history on Windows laptop or a desktop. So open your Google Chrome and at the top right corner where you have these three dots, you just need to go to there and go to the history and just click on history. You can also press Control H. You can also press Control H after opening Google Chrome and you will see the window like this. And here you just need to click on clear browsing data, and the moment you do that, from here you will get this option, clear browsing data, browsing history, download history, cookies. So you can select for the last 24 hours, for last 7 days, or all the time. So you can also uncheck other things if you want. If you just want to delete the browsing history, and you just need to click on clear data, and all of your browsing history will be removed. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.